Raindrops on my window, soft and slow. Whispers of the sky in mellow glow. Blanket wrapped around me, warm and tight. Thunder's lullaby in the night. Candle flickers gently in the dark. Lightning etches stories with its spark. Pages of a book beneath my hand. Worlds collide in stories woven grand. Cozy rainy day, just you and I, listening to the rhythm from the sky. Moments frozen time, simplified. In this little haven we reside. Steam rising, curling in the air. Scent of earth and nature, free and fair. Windows fogged by breath and mingled dreams. Life flows on like gentle mountain streams. Footsteps on the roof, a calming tune. Silver puddles forming by the moon. Every drop a note in our ballet, dancing on this sacred rainy day. Layers piling, echoes from afar. Darkness held by night's embrace ajar. Here within this bubble we create. Raindrops sing a song that softly prays. I'm seeing raindrops tonight. Raindrops.